He takes pleasure in not being some frigid, unemotional block of ice, but he takes pleasure in being desirous. He desires, for instance, we're talking about ghee, he desires butter from the gopis' houses. And he desires so many things. He desires the sweet taste of the gopis' lips. He desires butter from the gopis' houses. He desires that we offer food to him. He says in Gita, Patrang pushpang palam tayam yome bhakta prachati tadahang bhakti upahritam ashnami prayatatmanaha. If one offers me, Krishna says, with love, with bhakti, a leaf, flower, fruit, or water, I will accept it. And the important item here is the bhakti, the love, but then the devotees express their love by not just giving some tiny leaf, flower, a little bit of water, a little fruit, but they want to prepare so many nice preparations for Krishna, cooked in ghee, many of them, not all of them.